Good morning, dear friends. Welcome to our channel englishwayz. This is Hassan Aziz. Today we are going to discuss the importance of a phrase and sentence. Generally, in the previous class, we had the best experience about helping verbs or auxiliaries. Now today we are going to discuss phrase and a sentence, how it is in the sentence. Generally, most of the people, you go through reading of the newspaper, article or journal or any reading comprehension. Like that, in your personal experience, you come across reading of a few lines, especially in English. While reading any concept, any area, any sentence, without having a phrase, without having a sentence, you don't read even a single word. That's why what I suggest you, what I recommend you, if you know the importance of the phrase, it becomes very easy to understand the sentence. If you know the sentence, it becomes very easy to follow the sequence of the information till you end off any passage, till you end off any article or a journal or any reading comprehension. I mean, what I suggest you, let you understand what is a phrase, what is a sentence. Okay, dear friends, now let us see what is a phrase. A phrase is a group of words which doesn't give you the complete meaning. A phrase is a group of words which doesn't give you the complete meaning. Now let us see a few of examples by following a phrase, how that will be, which doesn't give you the complete meaning. Now you see, in the ground, at home, in the park, in the classroom, very beautiful, very intelligent, very difficult, about it, about you. Okay, when you read all these phrases, of course you read but you don't understand. You read but you don't understand because it is not given the complete meaning. And also it is part of the sentence. Phrase is part of the sentence. That's why when you follow this way, very difficult, very intelligent, about it, about you, very beautiful, in the classroom, in the park, all these expressions we can say as phrases. We can say as phrases. But one more thing you remember, without having a phrase, there is no a sentence. Without having a phrase, there is no sentence, because the phrase is part of the a sentence. That's why here both are interrelated. Now come back to the sentence, how it is. A sentence is a group of words which gives you the complete meaning. Sentence is a group of words which gives you the complete meaning. I mean to say that here you understand what is there, you can analyze what is there, you can evaluate what is there, you can give your own feedback about the sentence. I mean to say that it is given the complete sense what you read about the sentence. Okay, now you see the example by following the sentence. She is playing cricket in the ground. She is playing cricket in the ground. Now you see, she is playing cricket in the ground. One more thing you get to know that about a sentence that follows subject, verb and object. Sentence that follows subject, verb and object, which is given the complete meaning. Here, which is the subject in the sentence? She. Subject is playing. Verb, cricket. Object. Subject, verb, object. How the sentence is made? Sentence is the combination of subject, verb and object which is given the complete meaning. Which is given the complete meaning. We have some other way to say verb and object, whatever you have, that is called predicate. That is called predicate. I mean to say that here he is playing cricket. It is called predicate. Okay, I mean to say that what I tell you, the sentence is made with the help of subject, verb and object, which is given the complete meaning of the sentence. I mean, by following this example, if you analyze this example, even if you go to the newspaper or any question at the examination level or any fill in the blank at the examination level, without having the complete meaning of the sentence, there is no question. There is no question. That's why what I suggest you, let you know what is a word, let you know what is a phrase, let you know what is a sentence. Then automatically, whatever you want to comprehend, any level or the sentence formation, that becomes very easy to understand. Now, as you see the example, the sentence is with the help of subject, verb and object, which is given the complete meaning. Now go back to the second example. She is at home. She is at home. When you see at home, it is a phrase that becomes as a sentence. He is at home. In the park, it is a phrase. He is in the park. It is given as a sentence. In the classroom, it is a phrase. He is in the classroom. It is a sentence. Very beautiful. It is a phrase. She is very beautiful. It is a sentence. I think you understand here, with the help of phrase, we make as a sentence. I mean, phrase is part of the sentence. Sentence is part of the comprehension. Like that, you have to analyze how the sentence is made, how you understand any sentence at any type of level. Now, very intelligent. He is very intelligent. Very difficult. It is very difficult. About it. I know about it. About you. I know about you. You see, if you do practice like this, if you understand like this, okay, you come to know what is a sentence, how it is made, how it is meaningful. When it is meaningful, how you feel about your performance, about your analyzation, about your expectation about the sentence. I mean, what I suggest you, you see, you never think about like up to below the level where you be at a 10th level or intermediate level. Whatever I give you the basics, you have to think up to the maximum level where you cope up. I mean, where you have to balance, where you understand, especially by following any competitive level all over India. I mean, the students who are preparing for any competitive level all over India or academics, if you have these kind of analyzation, if you have these kind of method, it becomes very easy to follow any example, to analyze any example. I mean to say that here, what is a word, what is a phrase, what is a sentence. What is a word? A word is a group of letters which is given any particular meaning. A phrase is a group of words which doesn't give you the complete meaning. A sentence is a group of words which gives you the complete meaning. I mean, it is minimum basic to understand. Okay, if you know these basics, it becomes very easy to move on. A number of lines in the passage, a number of passages in the story. Okay, if you understand like this, automatically you can develop your comprehensive skills where you read, where you listen at any level. Okay, dear friends, let us see in the next video.